Daddy don't need that. What about mommy? Hmm? This is nice. What are we going to do? They only $3. Oh, I gotta get this to Neat. To Moni. Let's see what else they have. That's it? I believe that's it. Yeah.
Hey, wait, let's go to Bobby and say hi.
Say hi? Okay, hold on. Let's see what else they have over here.
Yeah.
Oh, I always introduced myself. Tell them where you're at. Tell them where you're at, bud.
Where's that one? Where's that?
That is so cute. Alright, let's go get some tissue and stuff, then we'll come back.
That's what it sounds like.
Let's see. So cute. Kitchen. Baby Jean likes this one. It is. Come on, this one. Come on. You picked up. I know we got a lot to choose from, so come on. Baby Jean, we got so many to look at. We have to look at more. Don't we have to look at more?
No, it says which one? Not all of them. One. That's one.
It says what?
It says just one.
Just one?
Yeah.
So I can't pick all of them?
No. I could say you can't pick all of them.
I really like this gray one. Yeah.
I like the color.
You like the Jeep one? Yeah, but it's got wheels too. Oh, that's cool.
But I think you take the one. Yeah. I think we just
Come here. So we got this. Let's see. I like the gray. You like this one? You like this one too? You like this one better?
No, I like the gray one.
You like this one better?
No.
No?
Yes.
That's the one you like?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see how much it is.
Only pick one.
Oh, Lord.
I told you. What?
Okay. I don't know how much the bed is. So. Okay, so it's $7.76. I really like this gray. And then got, see over here it looks, wait, maybe these aren't the same. No, these not the same. This one is different. Come here, baby Jean. Oh, here's the black one I seen online. And that full set. The full set is $5. Oh, that's not bad at all. Got a little dresser, a chest, and a nightstand. Okay, so come on, let's finish looking. I just love him so much.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Let's go this way. Come on. Slow down. I don't want you to fall. Come on, me and Daddy gotta pick out a bed now. Come on. He is so lazy. Like, huh?
This makes me cool.
You like this?
Yeah.
That's not bad. Let's see.
Well, I can.
Okay, you're in charge now. Go ahead.
Okay.
You want to test it out? What you think about it? How does it feel?
Great.
It feels great?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at this one.
Come on, let's go look up. You're doing such a good... Okay. You know how to open it. Okay. Come on. You gotta find a bed. Let's see. Oh. Nobody wants that. This is a really bed. One headboard, one queen slate. Before. Come here, bud. So let me see. Because that's what he hates. Well, not necessarily this one, but this one is too glamified for him, I think. But that brown should be cute. So we had something like this that was glamified. So I guess he... No, he'd probably be like, hell no. I really like this store. Come this way. We got more stuff to look at. Slow down, slow down. I don't really like the fabric look. These must be the sleepers. I don't think we need any reclining chairs. Come over here. This way. Let's see. Oh wait, it is some. Oh, those are the sleeper sofas. Yeah, I love my son so much. He's such a character. You wanna go? Let's go find us a couch. How about that? What are you doing? Get your hands off the glass. Let's see if these ones are. Oh, these ones are low, but they're not. Here, sit down. Is it comfortable or is it too hard?
Hard.
It's hard.
No.
Let's see.
Oh, this safe. Well, double one. No.
I like this dark gray. But we off the chairs now. Oh, I like this. I just hate the fabric. Look. Get your feet off the couch, please.
Oh, sorry.
You like this one?
Nah.
No? You don't like it?
No, this was too hot.
It's too hard?
Yeah.
I thought it was soft. Yes. No questions right now. But what? Didn't we just try that one? This one is too big for our living room.
And this one's too big.
Yeah.
Oh.
I love that you're helping me. You're not helping me?
Oh, look at this way.
Yeah, we're gonna be all day in here. Let's see. That is
Look, this way.
You'll probably run into that every time, so we can't get that one. I don't want you running into stuff.
And then why not stop?
No, I said I don't want you to.
Okay.
All right, let's go this way. Let's go. Oh, wait. You want to look at the chairs?
You gotta look up now. Because it's there, I don't want to look down them. You don't need to.
Oh, I definitely know where we're going to get our furniture from.
Oh, this one.
This is cool. Okay, but okay. You know what I'm thinking? Like, these would be nice dining room tables, but you can also use it like as an island if you have like an open kitchen. This little boy here, he swear he the boss.
And then need this one. What? The car. Let's get a car. Let's get a car.
Let's get a cart.
Yeah.
But we're not buying nothing right now.
What?
We gotta bring daddy.
Hey.
We gotta bring daddy back.
But where's this steak? Where's steak?
Oh, I think I was looking at this one online.
Mom,
Yeah.
this steak.
Let me see. What? What you see?
It says a car.
It is a car bed.
And this is a car bed.
Yeah, we just
And that
seen it.
one, that one.
Cool. I like. What you like? You like?
You need this one.
Which one?
Middle.
Trying to find.
That one and that one. And look at this. Huh?
A chase. It's called a chase. Yep.
Put these in there and what?
Yeah, look at me. I'm looking so rough. But I just have to hurry up and get out of here. Like, but slow down. I'm not going to leave you.
Wait, I told you it is.
Okay, so I like to this.
This is what like that.
It does look like grass. You can't beat the price. Oh, look at those vases. I mean lamps.
This day, this. No, 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 no. No, it's this. No, no. You got black.
You too black on here?
Yeah.
Well, it's not my fault. Let's see. Oh, nope, that ain't help.
Which one?
You just a little bit too dark.
Okay.
We gotta get under some light so we can see. Oh no, we can't see.
It's the white.
You have fun with mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, tell them what we did. What did we do?
You took the black off. You paint it.
Where did we go?
We go at the store, the green store, and we go at the McDonald's.
And where else did we go?
We go at America.
Hello guys. I am furniture shopping. Kinda. You don't like the metallic finish? I was like, oh, that's pretty. Great. Oh, look at this chase. Man, this could fit in our room. Just think about it. Babe, you probably would never be in a bed. Come over here. Baby Jane just like sitting in the chairs.
Apple.
Chairs, clowns, talking about.
Come on, son. Oh,
Turn.
very antique. Antique. Did we? Oh. We came in here. Did we come here?
We was in Magnolia, but we didn't look at these. It's like the rustic.
Boy, what are you doing?
That boy got a racing suit on.
Oh, yeah, because I remember that bed was fine. Something, yeah. This is pretty cool.
This way, baby.
What it do, what's up, it's your girl KG and I'm back in the cut. Hey! You didn't expect that to come out, did you? Today is moving day. Y'all know I'm still repping, well it ain't Michigan, but Detroit. My hair a little nappy, cause you know I'm a little girl. Skirt!
Another one popped up.
So yeah, oh my god. Trying to get her.
You so fucking childish.
But yeah, so I just made it in